Welcome friends to the unique concept, where income is fast and huge, system is sustainable and long-lasting, investment is nominal, no liability to the system, no capping on any income. Do you want to know the complete details? Please watch the video till the end. It could be a life-changing opportunity for you. The name of this concept is APEXGENX, which is a crowdfunding system with 100% instant distribution and 100% transparency. There is no liability to the system, hence there is no reason to stop. Further, if we talk about the joining packages, so you can join here with $11 and upgrade your ID with $22, $44, $88. Likewise, 9 packages have been designed here, from $11 package $1, from $22 package $2, from $44 package $4 goes to the company, and rest amount is distributed in the system. This is the only earning of the system, and system takes it for providing service. For deposit and withdrawal, you can use USDT currency and BEP20 network. Now about company's distribution. There is 100% instant distribution of every package. From every package, 10% goes to the direct sponsor, 20% to level income, 30% to Apex Blaster, 15% to non-working income, 20% to weekly salary, and 5% goes to the founder member. System offers you 7 types of incredible earning opportunities, like direct sponsor, level income, Apex Blaster, Genx Power, daily passive income, weekly salary, and founder member royalty. Let's know each income in detail. Income number 1 is direct sponsor. From every referral, you will get 10% of his joining amount. This income will be regenerated when he upgrades his ID. That means from the same fellow you get sponsor income again and again. Income number 2 is level income. 20% of the joining package is distributed in 16 levels. From first level, you get 10% as direct sponsor. From second level, you get 4%, from third and fourth level, 3%, from fifth level, 2%, from 6th to 10th level, 1%, and from 11th to 16th level, 0.5% from each level. To open the first 5 levels, 1 direct referral is required for each level. After that, all remaining levels open automatically. Income number 3 is Apex Blaster. 30% of the joining amount goes to Apex Blaster. This is very much like single-level auto pool that works globally. When you sponsor one person, your one I'd get qualified for Apex Blaster, you get 2 members globally. Each gives you 30%. That means 60% will be your earning. Similarly, the more direct referrals you add, the more your ID qualifies for this income. You earn 60% income from each ID. Suppose you sponsor anyone with $11, your one ID will be qualified and you will get $6. And when your sponsor upgrade his ID with $22, again your one ID will be qualified and you will get $12. Similarly, on $44 upgrade, you will get $24. 80% of the income is released to the user and 20% goes in Genx Power. Income number 4 is Genx Power. 20% income generated from every Apex Blaster will be distributed in 16 levels. That means when anyone in your entire team gets Apex Blaster income, you will also have a major share of it. The distribution is given on the screen. Pause the video and go through them. Income number 5 is daily passive income. 15% from every package will be taken for daily non-working income, which is collected separately according to the packages. 15% from every $11 package is collected in one vault. 15% from $22 package is collected in another vault. In the same way, 9 vaults are available here for each package collection. Suppose you have a package of $11, then whatever amount is accumulating daily in the first vault will be distributed equally daily among all the IDs activated with $11. And if you have also $22 package, you'll receive daily passive income from both the first and second vaults. Similarly, the larger your package, the more vaults you'll receive income from. To increase the income in Vault 1, 10% will be deducted from every withdrawal, and it will be added daily to this vault so that people can get more non-working income. Income number 6 is weekly salary. 20% of the joining package is earmarked for weekly salary, which is divided into 6 vaults. Every week, the funds accumulated in each vault are equally distributed among all members based on their rank. Company's first rank is Scout rank. For this, self-package should be $22, 5 direct referrals, and total team of only 50 members. The funds collected in this vault during the week will be divided equally among all those who fulfill these conditions. Company's second rank is Captain rank. For this, self-package should be $88, 7 direct and team of 150 members. So whatever funds are there in the second vault will be distributed weekly and equally among all the Captain rank achievers. And company's third rank is Influencer rank. For this, self-package should be $176, 10 direct and team of 500 members. So whatever funds are there in the third vault will be distributed weekly and equally among all Influencer rank achievers. In the same way, the company's next ranks, Champion rank, Legend rank, and Ambassador rank, also work in a similar way. Once the conditions are met, this income will continue to flow without any capping. Now, let's talk about the last income, which is founder member royalty. 5% of the joining package will be deducted from each package, and the funds collected will be distributed equally among the founder members on a monthly basis. For this, self-package should be $88, 20 fellows in direct and total team of 200 members. Then you become founder member. This is a unique income offered by the system for the pioneer leaders. This is a limited time offer. Within first 20 days of launching, you have to meet the criteria. Then only you will become founder members. After the stipulated time period, it will be stopped, and the leaders who have achieved criteria will keep on receiving it every month. Let us also know the terms and conditions. You can purchase multiple or all packages in serial order. Here, minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Withdraw once in 24 hours. On every withdrawal, 10%. Deduction applied. Deducted 10% amount will be added in daily passive income, and here no capping on any income. Friends, now it must be clear to you that this is a never-ending concept in which there is no liability. The income is also excellent. There are no conditions on withdrawal, and there is no capping on any income. Activate your ID without delay and make a fresh start in the network industry. For more details, please visit APEXGENX.com.